Most people stop imagining after childhood. But Napoleon Hill says, imagination is the workshop of the mind. Every fortune, every invention, every success starts in the mind first. There are two kinds of imagination. Synthetic, combining old ideas. Creative, receiving brand new ideas from your subconscious. If you're not imagining your future, you're just repeating your past. The rich imagine before they build. Now ask yourself, are you imagining big enough? Visual ideas for short. Start with black screen quote, imagination is more powerful than knowledge. Einstein. Show glowing brain animation or mind sparks. Transition to Napoleon Hill image or book cover. End with bold text. Imagination builds wealth.